Okay, so today is December 20th, 2021. The day is not even finished trading. Hasn't finished. The session hasn't finished, but I stopped trading. But I just thought I'd just share some my recap. Um, in terms of how I have traded today, today was just really scalping. And I noticed one or two issues, not issues, two things about myself in how I trade. I scalped pretty much this whole session. I did this bit, and as far as targets are concerned, I made a bit more than I normally make. I was better today in how I traded compared to previous days in terms of risk and things like that. I was a lot better. There were some trades that I took that weren't that great, but I was a lot better. Um, it was between the NQ and the ES. I kept on using the ES to judge the NQ's movements. I scalped pretty much all of this. So basically, bought low, sold high. Sometimes I bought here. Actually, I bought here because I thought we were going to break out, but it was actually a very bad buy, and then it reversed, and I took it out, and then lost half of everything I made, and then shorted this and made most of it back, and then just decided to stop. So we were going for probably a measured move here. Initially, I thought this was a measured move target from here to the base, but now I see the measured move target was probably from maybe around. I'm just guessing at this point because it looks like this was the range, and we're just kind of trading between this, and the measured move was down here. As you can see, there were some really good setups. Not so much from here, but you can see the wedge top, really nice setup there. But actually, the wedges were more interesting to look at on the ES than on the NQ, and I find that those ones are always probably better to trade. Um, so yeah, these were the wedges. Essentially, I thought we had one, two, and three. So I thought we were going to break out here, but as you can see, it failed and went down again. Two, three, one, two, three. So actually, this probably is not correct. This is probably the wedge, and then I had another nested wedge here, and this one worked out. I was looking at the 15-minute charts to get a better sense of how things were going. So if you look at it, one pullback, two. Hang on, how did I see it now? I had three pullbacks, so I think this is where it started. Oh yeah, one, two, and three. Let's pull back here, pull back. No, is there a pullback? No, it don't look like pullbacks here at all. So maybe we might still be going down for more. But that was a 15-minute chart. And then looking at the overall, we had obviously massive gap down. Measured move we went for here based on this range. We got it here. And this double top, double bottom. I guess we probably will start to, we're now always in long, but it's a very weak trend. We're probably going sideways at the moment. Yeah, so that was that. That was pretty much it. What else? Yeah, so that was my day. Didn't really nothing too special. Like I said, did most of my trading in this part, and then just decided, okay, I'm done. I shouldn't trade anymore, because I think once we started doing that, I just started making stupid decisions, and I was guessing. Um, yeah, I was using a lot of the 2 minute and 1 minute time frame to make decisions, because it just made it easier to just be more convinced about the trades that I was taking. This looks like a major trend reversal. Anyway, I'm not going to take this trade. I know what I'm like. I'll take it, and then it will reverse, and I'll screw it up. So, yeah. But anyway, yeah, I was using the 2 minute and the 1 minute mostly to figure out what was going on, particularly on the NQ, just to kind of get a sense of the wedges that we're forming, and then just kind of taking trades based on that. So, yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd just record my recap early. Normally, I would like to record the whole day, but I don't want to spend the whole day watching the market today. I'm gonna focus on some other things, and tomorrow we'll carry on.